Leciał sam outer space i na země jiný svět. Chtějí mě vidět dead, chtějí mě vidět wreck, ale ne, možná not a day, chtějí vidět můj grave.
Hi guys, welcome back again to another video about formal elements. This is the 6th video I've done on this, and this time it's going to be about tones. I explained a little bit, I think I explained about it a little bit on the previous video, so today we're going to be learning a bit more about them in my case, but in your case it's 3D and 2D shapes, so it's basically linking over to the shapes video that we did, but a bit more explained in my opinion. So yeah, we're going to look at forms today and how they're used in. So for form, they're basically like 3D and 2D shapes. Like I already said back in the shapes video, they're all like basically form links over to shapes in a kind of way. Obviously, like I said about the mug and all like that, that's, if you look at it this way, it is a 3D shape, but if you look at it this way, it is a 2D shape. No, that's the same for the book. It basically, it's my mom's book. Basically, you face it this way, it is a 2D. If you face it this way, it's a 3D. And obviously for this one, you can see this one's a 3D because obviously it's going around, and then this side is a 2D. So basically, it's like 3D objects in like basically 3D and 2D objects are everywhere. Like you won't be able. It'd be hard to spot them, really. Well, not hard to spot them. Really easy, to be honest, because 3D objects are basically everywhere. Like these. These are 3D because obviously these are my own headphones. Sorry about my hair. And then there's others like cars, bridges. They're 3D, and some of them made out of shape, some of them don't. But then that'll link over to geometric and all that stuff in that kind of way. Okay, so now we're on to the activities. For this, you obviously need some paper. You can have some colour paper if you want, if you have any. For this activity, obviously beginners go to the times shown on screen, and no, experts, sorry, and beginners stay on here. So for beginners, your one's pretty easy. Your activity is doing a paper fan. Now it's just basically like folding and all, like folding each paper and then pinch a little bit of the end and all, and then it's just like spread the others out. For beginners, your one's pretty self-explanatory. Your one's is making a paper scene. Basically, this links over to origami. Now, if you don't know origami, it's basically like making 3D shapes in a way. So, obviously, like I said for last time, you can basically you can basically pause the video if you want to, and then after you're done, we can go over to the ending, vice versa. See you when you've done the activity. Okay, so obviously that's it for this video. Next one's going to be the final one of the formal elements guide. So the final one is going to be about texture. So that's going to be pretty hard in a kind of way, but we'll get to it, So yeah, that is basically it for me for this video, basically. And I'll see you guys in the final one about texture. Bye, guys.